Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn some important idioms you should know. Hard to crack, a difficult problem or person to deal with. All ears, fully listening, eager to hear, backseat driver. Someone who gives unwanted advice. Bite of more than one can chew. Take on more responsibility than one can handle, burn bridges. Destroy relationships or opportunities permanently, cold shoulder. To ignore someone intentionally. Devil's advocate. Someone who urges against a point for the sake of debate, elephant in the room. An obvious problem that people avoid discussing, fish out of water. Someone who feels out of place. Go the extra mile to do more than what is expected. Hit the books, to study hard, in the same boat, in the same situation. Sharing the same problem, jump the gun. To act too soon or prematurely. Keep your chin up. Stay positive and optimistic. Let the dust settle, wait for a situation to become clear or calm. Miss the boat, miss an opportunity on thin ice. In a risky or dangerous situation. Not playing with a full deck. Someone who is mentally unstable or lacking intelligence. Pull the plug. To stop something. To bring something to an end. Quick on the draw. Fast to react or respond. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.